Want to turn your garden into a green paradise without spending money on chemicals or store-bought fertilizers? Just mix these two simple kitchen ingredients and watch your plants grow like crazy. I tried this DIY mix once, and within a few days, my plants looked greener, stronger, and full of life. Best part? It's 100% natural, organic, and probably already in your kitchen. Here's what you need. 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds. 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, unsweetened, no flavor. Why these? Coffee grounds add nitrogen and improve soil texture. Yogurt introduces beneficial microbes that boost root health and soil life. Mix both ingredients alternately in 1 liter of water. Stir well until fully blended. This creates a probiotic-rich fertilizer your plants will absolutely love. Now, pour this mixture directly into the soil around your plants, especially near the roots. Use it once every 7 to 10 days for vegetables, flowers, herbs, even indoor plants. After just 1 week, my garden showed explosive growth. Leaves got shinier, roots grew stronger, and flowers started blooming faster than ever. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more powerful plant hacks, and share it with your fellow gardeners.